Number puzzles can be tricky, and TCA can help you solve it. But first, try this exercise. There are 10 marbles in a box. Sean and Ethan can either take 1 or 2 marbles each time. The player who takes the last marble wins the game. If Sean were to start the game first, how many marbles must he take to ensure he is the winner?
Let me explain how you can control the game, okay? Now, you can take either 1 or 2, right? So you think of it as together. Sean and Ethan together, the two of them take a total of 3. You make it such that it's always 3. So Sean is to start the game, right? He will think of multiples of 3. He wants it to be that every time when the two of them pick, they will always pick a total of 3. Okay, so if Ethan takes 1, he'll take 2. If Ethan takes 2, he'll take 1. So it's always multiples of 3. You have 10 marbles, right? How do you make sure that you have multiples of 3? What are your multiples of 3? So think of it as multiples of 3. You have 3, 6, 9, 12. So you have got 10 here. How do you make it a multiple of 3? You want 3, 6, 9. You cannot have 12 because maximum is 10. The closest is 9. Sean should take away 1. He should take away 1, leaving 9. Understand? So now you're left with 9, right? Every time Ethan takes a number, he'll take the remaining number to make 3. That's why he will always end up to be the one taking the last marble. Do you understand? So when Ethan takes 1, Sean takes 2. And when Ethan takes 2, how many will Sean take? 1. So Sean will start with 1.
The final answer is, the only way to win is for Sean to take 1 marble on his first turn. Now, try this question. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our YouTube channel for more easy tutorials. This is the next question. There are 20 marbles in a bag. Ted and Jim can choose to take between 2 to 4 marbles each time. The last one to take the marble is the winner. If Ted were to start the game, how many marbles must he take to make sure he wins?
It's the same method as the one before. I need to think of how you can control the game. You can take either 1 or 2. So in this case, 2, 3, or 4. The number that you can make easily will be 6. If the other person takes 3, you can take 3 to make 6. You have 20 marbles to start. What is the number that's just below 20?
18.
To win the game, he must make 18 right from the start. Now, you're left with 18. So every time Jim takes a number, he'll make 6. When Jim takes, let's say, 2, he can take 4. When Jim takes 4, he can take 2. You understand now? He must take 2. This is the answer.
Now, I want you, Math Champion, to try this on your own. Leave the answer on the comments section below.